Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider joining us and hitting that subscribe button down there. We do a lot of unboxings on the channel, FabFitFun, makeup style boxes. I'm adding a couple of new boxes, so if that's something you're interested in, I hope you will consider joining us. But today I have a Tili box, which is the Try It Love It box from QVC. So let's get in here and see what's in this. It's really heavy. The Tili box is a beauty box that comes from QVC, and once again they are putting it out monthly, and it is a $25 box, and it is one of those really heavy, sturdy boxes. I love keeping these around, but it is chock full of items that are generally the brands that they sell on QVC, and this is just a really good opportunity to try some of those brands and see if you like them. I find that the value is usually here with these. They used to do this box, it's probably been about a year, and we started seeing a lot of reruns in it. Reruns? Sure, let's go with that. And then they stopped it. So I'm hoping now that they've started it up again and they're moving forward, that they've worked it out and we're gonna have new items to try. I will put a QVC link below, but basically you just go over to the QVC website. You can type in Tili, which is just T-I-L-I for Try It Love It. And usually there are several options. There's the one, like this one, that once you sign up, you can do auto delivery and it will automatically come to you every month. But they also do special ones, which I'm getting ready to tape one of that I have over here. It just gives you all of the options. As of when I'm taping this, this box is still available, but I'll let you know right here if as of when I put it up, it is available. Okay, when we open it up, it is, wow, it is full, and I see a big Elemis product right on top. I'm trying not to get excited. I don't have any idea what any of the spoilers are for this. Since I signed up for auto delivery, it just comes automatically now, so I don't have to go in and purchase it, so it's a complete surprise. That's always fun. We got, again this month, and we got one of these last month, a Winter Vanilla Mint. Last month, I believe it was just called Light, and it was a taller one. People had questions about the expiration date, and I forgot to look. I'm letting you know right here, if last month's expiration date on mine was past its date. There was a lot of talk about people got some that were well past their date. Let me see if this has an expiration date on it. I wonder how you check that. This one doesn't seem to have a date on it, and there doesn't seem to be a code. I wonder if you know how to look into that, let me know and I will gladly do it. But this is the Winter Vanilla Mint. How great does that sound? And did we get, oh, yep, I got a pump again this month. I was so excited because we used to get these in the box, but they didn't send the pumps. And this is so thick because it's a shampoo and a conditioner that once you get past the top, it's really, you have to almost store it upside down unless you have the pump. And since we got the pump, it'll be perfect. I used this for years. If you don't know about Win, it is a cleansing conditioner and you just put a lot. You pump it, I think with all of my hair, probably 6 times at least, and you work it into your damp hair. It doesn't lather, and you let it sit for a minute or two, and then you get a little bit of water on your hair and you work it really hard, and then you just rinse it out really well so it never really foams, but it is the equivalent of shampoo and conditioner. I found I just really got a little tired of it because with so much hair using it regularly, it became a lot of work, but I will definitely use these. Oh, and I just flipped it over and there is, oh, I hope I can see this. There is an expiration date on here. Oh, wow. It's in the stamp of the recycling. That can't be right. Is that right? That cannot be right. It is. Is it? I don't know how long after they're manufactured you can use these. I'll have to look it up online, but this says that it was manufactured 9/2015. 2015. Yeah, it's like more than 5 years ago. Is it sealed? It is sealed. Okay, we're gonna have to look into that. I will look into it and see when it's not open, and I'll let you know here how long they say it is good for. But yes, that says 9/2015 on it. I can't quit looking because I want it to be wrong, but okay, so we're off to a interesting start. Moving on, and I will also let you know here what the prices are on each of the products because this is a $25 box. I'm a little taken aback. 2015. That's a long time ago. Reaching in next, I have an Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner, Calming Facial Toner for delicate skin. Well, I'm a little nervous. I want to get excited because it's delicate skin, which is me, and it's Elemis, which I love, and it's full size, so you know this has a good value. But now I'm worried about an expiration date. Well, there's not an expiration date on here, but there is a lot number, so I will try and do some sleuthing with that lot number and see what we get. I can't help but be taken aback still by that 2015. What do you guys think? Have you ever gotten anything that old in a box? Moving on. This is what the Elemis bottle looks like. And it says Advanced Skincare Soothing Apricot Toner. So it sprays. I like the idea of a spraying toner. Oh, it smells nice. It smells kind of like an Elemis product. I like it. The scent is dissipating almost immediately. It was probably kind of just a cross between like a clean, just clean. It was just a clean kind of lotiony scent. Yeah, and it's not at all tacky or sticky. And the box says, defined by nature, led by science, this calming facial toner effectively tones the skin and helps maintain its natural pH level without the use of alcohol or other harsh detergents. Extracts of apricot, sweet betty flower, and saponins from kiaha wood help soothe and harmonize the skin, leaving a fresh and radiant complexion. Well, I am very happy with this product, and I bet this also alone pays for the box. You know what, since this video is already off the rails, I'm gonna turn my ring light down just a little bit so that when I go to camera, maybe you guys can see a little bit better. I figure this video is already off the rails, so let's try that too. So the lighting might be wrong for the rest of this video, but this will give us the chance to see if this is better lighting going forward. Reaching in next, I have an IT Lash Blowout. Well, this can't be too old because this is not too old a product. And that is what that looks like. It is just a sample size, but these sample sizes I have found usually have half the product. So although they look really small, they last a long time. This is 0.10 fluid ounces. I think that a full-size mascara might be 4.0, so this might only be a quarter, but I will definitely try it. I don't know if I've tried this one. It looks like it's a nice wet formula with a real average brush. How are we doing coming to camera? Is it easier to see without all of that light? Here's hoping. Okay. Okay, next. Uh-oh. I have two uh-ohs here. One, we got this in last month's box. And two, it's about 1/3 empty. I'd say it's about right here. And I don't see where it's leaked in my box anywhere, and the outside doesn't feel sticky or look in any way untoward, so maybe it just got underfilled. But yes, this is the Mind Tan Luxe Oil Illuminating Face and Body Self-Tan Drops. And that is, see, I don't think that helped, did it? And that is what that looks like. And again, it's filled to about here, I'd say. And this is one of those drops that you just add to your own moisturizer, whether it's your face or your body moisturizer. It's just, it says it's an oil, but it's just a really, this one's almost like water. I noticed that last month. So I think it will mix in much easier with moisturizers. I might try it on my body. I don't know that I have the nerve to try it on my face, but we will see. Next, I have a couple of packets. I have a Perricone MD High Potency Classics Face Finishing Firming Moisturizer, and it's 2 mLs, and we have 2 packets, and that's what they look like. So yes, some things do better with the light. I hope I'm not in the dark. I talked at the beginning of this about if you're new to the channel, please join us. Please just know this light experimentation and expired products, it's new to the channel. Reaching in next, we have a CEO Sunday Riley, which is their 15% vitamin C brightening serum. And this is 0.17 fluid ounces. And that is what it looks like. I will set this aside because I cannot use a vitamin C serum. My face won't take it. Reaching in next, we have the Lancer The Method Polish. And that is what that looks like. Let's get it out of here. I feel like maybe I got a Lancer product last month too, but I don't know if it was the polish, and I might be wrong about that. That is what the bottle looks like. And this is 0.5 ounces, and it says apply a small amount to damp skin, then gently massage over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly, then follow with the Method Cleanse. So you do this before you cleanse? Interesting. And last but not least in this box, we have the Fresh Face Makeup Removal Towel from Campanelli. And this is a brand that they have on QVC. And this is going to be just like a makeup eraser. Oh, but that's really cool because I think it might have come in a travel case. It did come in a travel case. That is really neat. So case you're going somewhere and you would like to take your towel with you. Oh, it's two. They're really pretty teal, and you have a nice round one, and I think this one is perfect for getting all the mascara and everything off your eyes. And then we have a nice full-sized one, and it has one side that's fluffy, I hope you can tell that, and the other side is super fluffy. Let me fold this up so maybe you can see the difference. And they say that the longer sides of these and the makeup erasers, all of them, they say that the longer side is exfoliating, so this is more for cleansing, and this is more for exfoliating. This is really pretty. I like this. I have a lot of pink ones in my routine, so I'm happy to have a blue one. I use these, and I use my Norwex washcloths, and I am happy to have more because I like to get a new one every day. It's just, I figure I'm taking off makeup, and no matter how much I scrub, I feel better if I have a new one every day, so I like having plenty in rotation. And I think this is so cute that it came with a little bag. So that is what we received in this month's Tili box. We have the Campanelli makeup remover towels, and also, by the way, when you get these, they tell you to first wash them with really hot water, and it's best if you use detergents. They don't tell you this part, but from using a lot of microfiber, it's best if you use detergents that don't have fillers like fragrance and color. It works best. And then always dry them in the dryer also if you can, on as hot as you can, and that makes them actually work better for some reason. There's the 2 little packets of the Perricone moisturizer, the Lancer face exfoliation. We have an IT mascara in a sample size, and the Mind Tan Luxe Oil for self-tanning drops, the Sunday Riley CEO sample, the Elemis, this is absolutely and by far what I am most excited about, the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner, which I will absolutely try and report back if you have any interest on that. And then we have our Winter Vanilla Mint with Pump 2015 cleansing conditioner. So I will have looked it up and let you guys know how long they say this is good once it's manufactured. I will be interested to see if it is more than 5 years. If it is out of date, I will also call QVC and express my concern, and I will let you guys know how they respond, because the Tili box is really cool. And it's a good bargain because this pays for the cost of the box, I'm sure. This pays for the cost of the box, I'm sure. It's a good value if you have products you can use. But if they're just using it to get rid of old stock, not acceptable. Okay, I will let you guys know all of the deets as I get them. If it gets too long to tell you up here, I will let you know down in the description. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you doing our lighting trial with me, and we have expired products, so this was an interesting one. But I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys.